Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we will learn the word appearance through a beautiful story from Indian history. This is the story of a brave queen named Rani Lakshmibai. Long ago, in India, there lived a queen. Her name was Rani Lakshmibai. She was the queen of a city called Jhansi. She was very brave and strong. People loved her very much. Jhansi was a beautiful city. It had a big fort. The fort stood on a hill. People lived happily in this city. Rani Lakshmibai ruled this city with kindness and wisdom. Rani Lakshmibai had a royal appearance. She wore beautiful silk clothes. She wore gold jewelry. She carried a sword at her side. When she sat in the court, everyone could see she was a powerful queen. Her appearance showed her strength and dignity. One day, the British came to India. They wanted to take Jhansi from the queen. The British officers came to the fort. They looked at Rani Lakshmibai. They saw a woman in royal clothes. But they did not know how brave she was. They thought they could easily take her kingdom. Rani Lakshmibai was very clever. She knew she had to fight. Sometimes, she changed her appearance. She dressed like a soldier. She wore armor like a man. She tied her hair up. She rode a horse into battle. Her changed appearance helped her move freely and fight bravely. When her soldiers saw her, they felt courage. Her appearance on the battlefield gave them strength. She looked fearless. She looked determined. Her appearance told everyone that she would never give up. She fought with great bravery to protect her people and her city. Even today, people remember Rani Lakshmibai. They remember how she looked. Artists paint her picture. Writers tell her story. Statues show her on a horse with a sword. Her appearance in these stories inspires millions of people. She is a symbol of courage in Indian history. So, what does appearance mean? Appearance means how someone or something looks. It is what we see with our eyes. Rani Lakshmibai's appearance changed from royal clothes to soldier's armor. But her brave heart never changed. Appearance is the outside look of a person or thing. Why is appearance important? First, appearance shows who we are. Second, appearance can give us confidence and strength. Third, appearance helps others understand us. Rani Lakshmibai used her appearance wisely. She showed power as a queen and courage as a warrior. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this story about Rani Lakshmibai and learned the word appearance. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun English stories from history. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next video.